Hi there. So this is another birthday challenge entry, but this challenge is extra special because this challenge is from my mom. So my mom is a crafter, but she's been out of the game for a little bit in terms of this kind of crafting. Now she's been doing other crafting because they just finished throwing me a humongous birthday party for my 40th birthday, and I'm still recovering. It was this past weekend. I'm still so tired. We had so much fun. Too much fun, which is why all of us are sore. And like we had a great time. But this is from my mom. She actually sent in the mail too, which I thought was so funny because she came here, but she still sent it. She still mailed it in like it was a real, real challenge entry. Something is stuck. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. Okay, sorry guys. I'm just trying to get out of the envelope. Hold on. I'm trying to get it out. It's not being nice. It doesn't want to come out. It doesn't want to. Okay, here we go. It's coming. Okay, you guys, look how cute this is. It's adorable. Look at all the layers though. This is so cute. This is like 4 layers for the 40. So I did turn 40 in case you are, you didn't know that I am 40 years old today. I turned 40 on Saturday. Today is Tuesday. And yeah, this is so cute. Oh gosh, this little bear is adorable. I don't know where he was. I think he was right here. So cute. So look how fun this card is. She made a million layers, and it's a happy birthday. I'm sure she made this on her Cricut, and it is adorable. And okay, look, let's see. So, oh my gosh, so cute. Look, she made me a shaker mix. How cute is this? So you guys, you know what's funny is that the thing that's funny about this is that my mom, so I've been trying to convince my mom to do a swap and she won't. She's like, she's intimidated. So all of you that write me messages and write comments and say how you're like so intimidated, I cannot get my mother to do a swap because she too, even though her daughter is a serial swapper, she too will not swap. And I will read this. I think it's okay to read this. It says, "To a wonderful daughter on your 40th birthday. It seems like yesterday you were a baby in my arms. I looked at your precious face and wondered where life would take you. Today I look at the amazing woman you've become, kind, thoughtful, and caring, beautiful on the inside and out. I could not be prouder to have you as my daughter. I love you, Lisa, more than words can say. Happiest birthday to you from your first #1 fan, Mom." Love you, Mom. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. The shaker mix is just sending me. I love it. Oh my gosh, guys. So this was an entry from my mother who does not have any crafty socials, but I'm sure she'll probably leave a comment. So you guys leave a comment in the video for her, and that's what I always say to do when people don't have social media, so you guys can just leave her some encouragement. Also tell her that she should do a swap, okay? At least my swap. I'm like, I will coach you on doing it, but I know it's intimidating, so know if you are intimidated, you are not alone, because my own mother is also intimidated and her daughter has a swapping YouTube channel. So anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you are not, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.